My name is Vishen, and this is a basic introduction to Java, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Java is object-oriented, and that means you will be manipulating data stored inside the object, and you will be using functions defined in the object to manipulate it. The diagram I'm showing here does a really good job of depicting this core concept. In this example, we have an object named animal. The animal has two properties or data points about it. It has an age, which should be expressed as an integer, and has a gender, which should be expressed as a string. The animal object has two actions. It can check whether it is a mammal, and it can mate. Now we come to a more advanced topic called inheritance. Basically, what this means is that a different object will take the properties of another object. You see here that duck, fish, and zebra are all inheriting from the animal object. And we can also add their own properties and add our own methods and also override the original properties of the animal. So now that we've defined object-oriented programming, let's move on to some of the syntax of Java. Here I've written a hello world program, and this is solely to show the structure of a Java program. The first line goes as this: public class hello world open curly bracket. The word public is an access modifier. This defines which files can access this class. Next is the keyword class, which is used to define an object. Next is the name of the class. One of the classes in your file has to match with the file name. This just tells Java which class to run. In the second line, we see a new keyword called static. This just tells Java that it should run the main function first. Next is the word void. In this situation, it means that there is no return type of the method. So the main function does not have to return anything to the class. Then we are identifying the function as main and passing an array of strings called args. You don't have to worry about this right now. Alright, so on the next line we have this system.out.println and then parentheses, quotes, hello world, and then a semicolon. So what's going on here? System is a package, out is a class, and then println is a method of that class. Packages are kind of like folders to store a bunch of classes that are related. Then we're just passing in a string and telling Java that the line's over with a semicolon. In order to print anything out, you need to write that line and then change the arguments to print line. Now in order to run this, we need to compile it into bytecode using javac and then helloworld.java. And then we run java hello world. The video is really short, I know. I wasn't willing to commit to a topic that I'm not fully comfortable teaching without knowing if this was enough detail for the viewers to understand. So if you think this is a good enough detail, comment down below and I'll make more videos just the same as this. If you think it needs more detail, comment down below. I can upgrade that in my next Java tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.